Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Pycharm on your Ubuntu operating system. So the prerequisite of installing Pycharm on your Ubuntu operating system is you need to obviously have Python installed on your Ubuntu operating system. By the way, if you don't know Pycharm is a Python based IDE. So on this IDE you can develop your Python projects, right? So if you are using the latest version of Ubuntu like I am, you might already have Python which comes pre-installed with your Ubuntu operating system. So just open your terminal by just pressing Ctrl Alt T, or you can search for the terminal in the applications and you can open the terminal here. And once your terminal is open, you just need to write Python 3 and then hyphen version, right? So you can see I have at the time of making this video Python 3.8.5, which means I can install Pycharm on my Ubuntu operating system. So before installing Pycharm, we need to see which version is the latest version at the time of making this video. So just open your favorite browser and search for Pycharm, and the first link which will appear here will be from jetbrains.com/Pycharm. So just click on this link, and once you reach to this website, you can see straight away this download button here and on the top also. So you can just click on this download button. We are not going to download the Pycharm from this website. I just want to see which is the latest version at the time of making this video. So at the time of making this video, the latest version is 2020.3.3, which we are going to install, and we are going to install the community version of Pycharm, which is for pure Python development. Okay, so now we know which version to install. We can just minimize the browser and open our terminal once again. Let me clear the terminal. And here we are going to use a utility called Snap. Snap is a package management system using which you can install and manage different kind of softwares and packages, right? So you can just write snap find and whatever you want to find. So we want to find Pycharm here. So I'm going to just search for Pycharm and then press enter, and you will get this kind of result. So you can see you can download the Pycharm community version, Pycharm professional version, and Pycharm educational version. So we are going to download the Pycharm community version, and the version available here is 2020.3.3, which we have seen on the official website also. So to install Pycharm using Snap, you just need to write sudo snap install and then the name of the package you want to install. In our case, this is Pycharm-community, and then you need to give this --classic flag here. So just write --classic and then press enter and give your Ubuntu's password and then press enter, which is going to start the download and the installation process for the Pycharm IDE. So now as you can see, the Pycharm community edition is installed on my Ubuntu operating system. So I can close this terminal, and now I can open the Pycharm IDE by just going to the applications, and then I can directly see the Pycharm menu here, or I can just search for it. So I can see this Pycharm menu, or you can just search for Pycharm and then click on this icon from here. And for the first time when Pycharm starts on your Ubuntu operating system, it's going to show you this kind of window which says import Pycharm settings. So if you have previous versions of Pycharm installed on your Ubuntu operating system, you can import those settings into your new Pycharm. Otherwise, you can just leave it as default, which is do not import settings, and then click on OK, which is going to start the Pycharm IDE. And now I can see this Pycharm has been started on my Ubuntu operating system. So I can maximize this IDE from here, and then I can create a new project or open a project using Pycharm, or I have some other options here. So let's create a new project. So I'm going to just click on new project button here, which is going to give me this kind of window, and this will be the location where your project will be saved. By default, the project name is Python project. I can change it to hello or something, but I will leave it as default for now. And then you have the option to choose your new environment using virtual env, and this will be the location for that. Also, you can see the base interpreter right now is Python 3.8, which is the Python version which is installed on my Ubuntu operating system. If you have multiple versions of Python installed, then you can choose the Python version using this drop down menu. So I'm going to leave everything as default, and I'm going to just click on the create button, which is going to create my project. And once your project is created, you will be able to see this kind of window. So I'm going to right click on my Python project, and then I'm going to just create a new Python file. And I'm going to name it as hello.py. So let's say hello.py, and then press enter, which is going to create this file. And then I'm going to just write a very simple script which prints hello world. So I'm going to just write print here, and in the parentheses I'm going to just say hello world. And if it shows this kind of warning, you can also configure your interpreter. So I'm going to just click on configure interpreter, and then interpreter settings, and it's going to open this kind of window. So I'm going to just click on show all, and then I can click on the plus sign, and then from here you can choose any interpreter. For now I will just choose the system interpreter which I have, and then click on OK, which is going to add this interpreter here, and then click on OK. And once it's done, I can click on apply and then click on OK, which is going to add this interpreter here. And once that's done, I can just right click on my file, and then I can just click on run hello, which is going to run my script, and it's going to show the output on this terminal window, right? And then I can edit my code, for example, and then I can save the code and rerun it from here, right? And it's going to show the output. Also, I have the option to open the terminal, where it's going to open the terminal in the current window, and then from here also I can run this file. So I can just write python 3 and the name of the file, which is hello.py, and then press enter, and it's going to run my program from the terminal. Also, I also have the Python terminal, so if I want to test some things in the terminal, I can open this Python terminal, and then I can check something, for example 2 plus 2, or whatever you want to check something quickly. You can open this Python REPL terminal and check it very quickly, right? So this is how you can download and install Pycharm on your Ubuntu operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.